Dahlias are native to Mexico. There are over 40 species. The dahlia was named after Anders Dahl, a botanist born on March 17, 1751. Dahlias are tall plants with flowers. Most varieties grow 4 to 5 feet tall. The root of the dahlia are tubers, not bulbs, as they're often called. The tubers can be replanted each spring, but must be dug out and stored over the winter. The tubers were grown as a food crop by the Aztecs, a practice that largely died out after the Spanish conquest. Attempts to introduce the tubers as a food crop in Europe were unsuccessful. Dahlias represent dignity and elegance.